Good news, you no longer need to worry on how to withdraw your funds from Whop, because in this video I'm going to share with you 3 easy solutions to help you withdraw your funds from Whop. Even though you live in a country where it makes it impossible to withdraw your funds from Whop, or you don't also have access to Stripe, there's no problem. In this video I will share with you 3 easy fixes on how to withdraw your funds from Whop, and they work because I have personally used them to withdraw multiple times from Whop. I've also helped Edwin to withdraw about $50 plus from Whop. I've also helped Emmanuel to withdraw about $24 from Whop. So this solution works, and that is why I want to share it with you today based on the comment I got on my channel 9 days ago asking me how do I withdraw my money from Whop. Now, even if your account is not verified, this strategy is going to work for you, and I highly recommend the number 2 strategy, because if the number 1 and number 2 fail, number 3 is proven to work irrespective of who you are or the country you are from. Number 3 is the sure one that's going to work for you. Now I will take you to my system and show you how this my 3 strategy work, and you can decide to use the one that is suitable for you. Are you ready? Subscribe to my channel and comment Whop. Let's do this.
Guys, the first way you can withdraw your money from Whop is a direct withdrawal to your bank, right? Withdrawing directly to your bank. So how are you going to do that? So you go to your Whop account, okay? You go to your profile. In your profile, you go down to your balance. You see your balance. So currently I have $42.70. So you just click on withdraw. So before that, you can see my past withdrawals here. Okay, so click on withdraw and you put the amount you want to withdraw, and then you confirm your withdrawal. And your withdrawal is placed. You're going to wait for your withdrawal to be approved, and it takes within 24 hours for your withdrawal to be approved after you have requested for it. And when your withdrawal is now finally approved, it takes about 7 days before it is completely deposited into your bank account. Okay, now the question is that if you are not verified in Whop, you will not be able to withdraw to your bank account directly. So to do this that I've just done now, you need to verify your account. So this is how you withdraw your money from Whop, and you can only do this type of withdrawal when your account is verified. And the only way to verify your account on Whop is through the use of Stripe. You're automatically partnered with Stripe. So when you try to verify, you have to go to Stripe to verify your account. So if you live in a country where you don't have access to Stripe, then this method will not work for you. Okay, and that is why I have 3 more methods that will definitely work for you. And the number 3 will work for anybody from anywhere, whether they have access to Stripe or not. So this is number 1 method. Let's check out the number 2 method on how to withdraw. So since we know that the only way we can verify our accounts in Whop is through Stripe, and you are living in a country whereby you have access to Stripe, what you need to do is to find somebody who has access to Stripe and build a partnership. So you do the work, you do the business in this platform, and you make money, while your partner will help you to withdraw the money. So whatever deal or negotiation or agreements the both of you have, that's fine. Okay, but this will help you to withdraw your money from Whop. So you have the partner, you work, you make the money, he would helps you to withdraw because he has access to Stripe. People in the US, in the UK, and other countries who have access to Stripe will be able to verify their accounts with ease and place withdrawal anytime possible. So if you're living in a country where you don't have access to Stripe, you can look at to build that relationship or connection with somebody who lives in the country that Stripe is popular, and the person will now use his account to his identity to verify your accounts. and both of you can share returns. Now, let's go to the third way, which is the most reliable way to withdraw, especially if you're living in a country where you don't have access to Stripe. Now, this one works so fast that you can get your money ASAP within 24 hours. That is what Whop arbitrage, right? So, what is Whop arbitrage? I've done a video tutorial that explains what arbitrage is all about in full details for those people who want to go into the business, right? So if you want to go into the arbitrage business, check the description of this video for the tutorial link of the arbitrage video so that you can watch it and go to business. Those of you who want to you can't use this method, you can't use this circle method, this arbitrage method will definitely work for you, and it is the fastest way to withdraw your money from work, especially if you live in a country where Stripe is not allowed or where Stripe is restricted. So how will you be able to withdraw your money through Whop arbitrage? Now, Whop arbitrage, we have people who are able to withdraw their money directly from Whop because they have access to Stripe, and then there's you who don't have access to Stripe, but you have the will to use this platform to make money. So how do you withdraw? What you have to do is to reach out to those people who have access to Stripe, and they are going to help you withdraw. So you pay them money via Whop. You can send somebody money via Whop, and then a person will pay you in USDT. So we'll tell whichever country you are, this method is going to work for you. For example, this is Austin Ellie. Austin Ellie paid me $17, and I paid him USDT. I paid him back in US. So I helped him to withdraw his money from Whop to the Whop arbitrage business. Okay, so the rates we agree on, he sent me $1 via the Whop platform. Does not need verification, so you don't have to verify your account to send somebody else money. So that's why it is the easiest and the fastest way to withdraw from Whop. So if you want somebody who you are going to partner with in the Whop arbitrage, if you miss a withdrawal, I'm very, very much available. You can check my Whop username or link, profile link in the description of this video, and you can shoot me a direct message if you want to withdraw the funds for Whop. So how it works, you pay me through the Whop platform because it's easier. You don't need to verify your account to be able to do this activity. Why me? I pay you in crypto. Okay, so and that is how we're going to connect. Because two of us are going to agree on a rate. Okay, and that rate will be beneficial to both of us. After that, I pay you, and it's within 10 minutes of you paying me, you pay your funds yourself. By me, I have to wait through 7 days to get the money that you have paid me. But this is exactly how the arbitrage work. So if you don't have any means of withdrawal, if you cannot use number 1 method or number 2 method, number 3 method is the surest way for you to withdraw your funds from Whop within 24 hours. It's the fastest way. If you go through number 1 way, you are going to wait for 7 days before your fund goes to your account. If you go to number 2 way, you need to find somebody who you can trust to build that relationship. And if you don't have any of this one, then you need to settle for the best one, which I recommend you, the Whop arbitrage, where you just have to agree on a particular rate. You send the person who is going to fund you your Whop balance, and he the person want to pay you in crypto, and I am here to help you do that. So let me know in the comment section which of these ways works for you, and also let me know in the comment section if you want me to have me as a partner in your Whop arbitrage business. I'm very available. You can also check my Telegram link in the description of this video to reach out to me. And also, if you want to go deep down into the Whop arbitrage business, go and watch that video to net how you also can do the Whop arbitrage business. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. Cheers.